So, what's the difference between a data scientist, an AI engineer, and a generative AI engineer? Let's break it down. Data scientist versus AI engineer versus generative AI engineer. A data scientist primarily uses machine learning to make predictions about the future. This is often referred to as predictive analytics. They focus on analyzing historical data and creating models to estimate future trends or behaviors, which helps in making data-driven business decisions. On the other hand, an AI engineer or generative AI engineer uses machine learning, but for a different purpose: automation. Their role is centered around building systems that automate processes, often using AI models to perform tasks that traditionally require human intervention. Now, if you are thinking about transitioning from data scientist to a generative AI role, here's the good news. You already have a solid foundation. As a data scientist, you are familiar with statistics, Python, machine learning, and NLP, natural language processing. These skills are essential for making predictions and business decisions. However, to make the leap into generative AI, it's not just about machine learning anymore. Deep learning becomes the core focus. You will need to dive deep into advanced topics like computer vision, LSTMs, long short-term memory networks, RNNs, recurrent neural networks, autoencoders, GANs, generative adversarial networks, diffusion models, and most importantly, transformer architectures. These concepts are crucial in the world of generative AI. So, if you want to thrive in this field, mastering deep learning is a must. In addition to deep learning, focus on learning frameworks and tools that are widely used in generative AI. MCPs, machine learning and cloud platforms, agentic AI, MLOps, and LLMOps, tools like LangChain and LangGraph. By gaining proficiency in these areas and implementing them in your projects or proofs of concepts, POCs, you will be able to make the transition from data science to generative AI seamlessly. So, if you are ready to take the leap from data science to generative AI, now's the time to upskill. Learn deep learning, master the relevant AI frameworks, and start building your expertise in generative AI. If you want to learn more and dive deeper into this transition, register now for our free Agentic AI Masterclass and start your journey today.